Here is the Sony BRAVIA 2. I'm going to show you how to set this up step by step. First thing is make sure your TV's on, put the batteries in your remote, and you should be at this welcome screen. As soon as you put the battery in your remote, it should automatically be synced. Choose your language. I'm going to go with English in the US. Country or region, I'm in the United States. You have two choices. You can set up a Google TV or you can set up a basic TV. I'm going to go with set up a Google TV. Now from here we have two choices as well. Okay, we can set up using the Google Home app if you already have that on your phone or you need to download it, or you can set up on the TV instead. Now I'm going to go and set up on TV instead because I tried to do the Google Home app and it kept giving me errors. So I'm going to go this way now, set up on TV instead. So I'm just going to go down, highlight it, okay it, connect to my Wi-Fi right there. Let me enter my Wi-Fi password. After you enter your password, go down to the check mark there, select that. So it's connected. Now here, go ahead and enter your email. And then once you enter it, you want to go down there and continue. Then enter your password to your email. And then you want to select continue down there. Okay. So read through all that, the Google terms and service and all that. And if you accept, go ahead and tap on accept. I'm just hiding my email address and all that. Google services, you can go ahead and read through all that. You can click learn more if you want to learn more, or you can just move over right to accept. Select that. Stay in the know if you wish, you can sign up, or for me, no thanks. Search across all your TV apps. To do this, allow it to share your requests with your TV's app. So read through that and you can allow or no thanks. You can always go allow and then turn it off later as well. But for me, I'm just going to go with no thanks. It says choose your services here. You can choose them, but now, or you can choose them later as well. Okay, I have Netflix, Amazon, or Prime Video, YouTube. That's all I'm going to put on there. But I can select more after all that setup is done as well. Start your BRAVIA TV experience. We're going to select on start there. This is the end user license agreement. So we got to scroll all the way down, read through all that, keep going down. Okay, there you go. And now if you agree, go ahead and select on agree right there. And we're going to go down to proceed. We're going to okay that. Privacy policy. Let's go ahead and read through all this. Okay. Now from here, go ahead and read through this. So Sony Smart Features, you can see it says right there, if we go down to product improvements, you can read all that. And it's up to you here. For myself, I'm going to go with agree to all. And then I'm going to go down to agree and proceed. Power saving, read through that. You want off, low, or high. Myself, I'm going to go with low here. I'm going to select that. Here's the voice recognition. Go ahead and read through that. And then we're going to select on next. So here's the parental lock. It says, please select a 4-digit PIN. Let me see if I can just select nothing. Okay, I need to select something and I can't do 000. So let me just guess one. All right, I'll just do this. Enter it again. Your PIN has been set. And this is for if you have like an antenna back or cable, you can set that up. For me, I'm going to skip. You can always do the cable antenna like later as well after setup. Select the devices you would like to set up with your TV. You could do this now, you can do it later. For me, I'm just going to go ahead and connect later, and I'm only going to connect a PS5 to this TV. How's the TV position? Is it on the wall mount? Mine's tabletop stand, so I'm just going to select that. Complete your registration, register your Google account, register with another email, or you can skip. I'm going to register with Google account. Let me select that. And then there's my email right there. Let's select that. And then you want to read through that. I'm hiding my email address again, but you have I agree to receive marketing emails and this here. I'm not going to select any of those. I'm just going to go right to proceed and register TV. There we go. I'm going to select on next. Here's Apple AirPlay and HomeKit. So you can AirPlay your iPhones and iPads, whatnot, directly onto this TV. Now all this here, the Samba Interactive TV, go ahead and read through all of these. And then whichever one you want, go for it. For me, I'm going to select none of those and I'll just save and exit right there. Scan code to create a free account on your TV. Okay, I'm not interested in that. Accessibility features, go ahead and read through that. Go ahead and read through this. This is about the BRAVIA Connect app if you want to use that. I'm not interested. I'm just going to go with OK here. Setup complete. Let's press on done. Setting up your Google TV. Get the most out of your Google TV. Go ahead and read through these. I'm just going to go to Google TV. I'm not interested in those, at least not right now. And voila, we are now in business. Pretty simple. Any questions or issues? Comment below.